Okay, assalamu alaikum everyone. So here we are, right? Pepe is pumping and I've given you 3 days maximum to see a move for Pepe, right? It was analyzed. I told you back in the history that this, like for example right here, we saw this one from 2 October all the way to 21. So it took almost 20 days of consolidation. This one took almost 16 days. This almost took another 24 days. And finally, this took almost 18 days. And this is finally your move. And probably we may just start to see things going to the upside. And we've never ever came down to this technical target of 10,000 because this to me was a dead end right over there. So a next technical target personally, as long as if I have to keep things very simple, is that number one, follow the channel if you're new, turn on the bells to get more daily notifications on Pepe. And if you're not going to come to 10,000, I do believe your next technical target at least is at 18,450, and eventually that 20,000 target that I've given you up here. Okay, that is something that still may come, but this is a target where I do believe there's no resistances and can be easily met. So we are talking about maybe 24% move to the upside. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame because you're breaking above a resistance right now, and it has been good. I gave you the yellow line, but you still never really left the yellow line. Actually, it's on the daily where you didn't leave the yellow line. So, yep, we talked about the hammer. We talked about the inverted hammer. And this pretty much really sums up that Pepe has been holding pretty good, right? So I want to go back into the 4-hour time frame and show you a resistance that has been broken. So from there all the way down here. Now there's one more drop we may see if it happens, and that is just the retest down at 12,698 before actually moving up. This will still be okay. Again, this is not okay. This down here is what's not okay. Anything above here, anything at 12,000, 11,000 is always safe. I've told you so many times. I've stuck to my own comment that what, we still are good. I don't see issues with what Pepe is doing, but it has been proven that yes, it was always good. It has been good. We're pushing. If things really go okay, we should be pushing all the way up here. I don't know. Again, I always say this in the video. You never know if you will get a retest or not, right? You may get a retest and push up, or you just may push up right here, but I expect the summary of this one to be that as long as you're not coming down here, you're good to go here, whether the retest happens or whether it doesn't really happen. And that's pretty much the summary of the video, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.